It's Bonnie. I am back with another gift idea. This one just happens to be another Hobby Lobby product for Bath and Body Works. However, I've got other gift ideas that don't involve Hobby Lobby in case you don't have one near you. But I just had to do this one. So, I picked up these adorable little Santa's Workshop. It looks like something the elves would keep their tools in. I swear I remember seeing this in the elf movie. Covered in glitter. It doesn't come off too easily. A little bit on my finger, but pretty good. They're so sparkly, and check it out. They fit 4 PocketBacs. Like, oh my gosh. It's like this thing was made for PocketBacs. Check it out. Is that not like amazing? And then I took a ribbon. I need to get more Bath and Body Works ribbon, by the way. And I tied my little Bath and Body Works reindeer PocketBac holder onto here. So this gift, the little container was $1.99 minus 50% right now because all Christmas is 50% off, so 99 cents. The PocketBacs are 5 for $7, but if you use your discount, your 20% off, we'll call that like $5 for the PocketBacs, and then this was $8.75. So we're talking about, 5, 6, under $15 for this cute little gift. I think this is absolutely adorable, and I want to show you what you can do with these. So check it out. You can put these inside the Bath and Body Works large bags. And I'm going to take this apart so you guys can see. How cool is this? I swear, it's like these things were made for a Bath and Body Works bag. So I got these larger bags at the counter at Bath and Body Works. And then I took I got a gold one here. This is, like they come in all different colors. And I put the Bath and Body Works glitter, roll-on glitter inside this. Now this is probably a little bit more pricey because these are $12.50. They're buy two get one free. Yeah, buy two get one free. So it's like $24. But if you use your 20% off, we're talking in the maybe $20 range for this. But you could get someone, and I put a little tissue paper behind here just to stabilize it. But you could get someone all 3 of the glitter roll-ons, and it fits perfectly inside this little like Santa's elf workshop thingy. I love it. Oh my gosh. So in case you didn't see my video before, the glitter comes in, I love this one the most. This is Grape Goodness, and what you do with these is you just roll them on, and then you're covered in this like really pretty light glitter. And it smells like sour grape candy. It's amazing. So there's grape. There is a blueberry swirl, which is equally amazing. It smells like blueberries. And then we have Charmin Cherry. Oh, there's Cocoa. Remember, if you saw my video before, that's Cocoa. This one smells like cherry. So this would be great for a teenager, for a college student, for a 49-year-old wife, girlfriend, mother, your 99-year-old grandma. Seriously, anyone would love this. And I love it in the gold. I think that's absolutely beautiful. So I got that one. And then I also did one. Check this one out. How cute is this? Let me take this one apart. I got one in red. Get my ribbon off here. Okay, so I have one in red also. Check this out. Oh my gosh, this would make a really cute gift for someone at work, I think. Look how pretty these colors are. I mean, these are like really deep glitter, and the glitter is everywhere. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So in this one, I put 2 of the Christmas PocketBacs, and then I also put this little cute little penguin in an ugly sweater. How adorable is that? And the penguin in the ugly sweater, he lights up. So that's just adorable. This was $9.75. My chin itches. $9.75. It's bad on YouTube when you're like, oh my gosh, or like you get something in your eye. I don't edit. This thing is adorable. So you just pop one of your PocketBacs. Oops, wrong way. Of course I should know that. Pop one of the PocketBacs in there, and then you can put this on your purse or something. These are awesome. So anyway, I thought that the red was so pretty. So like I said, they may have come in silver too. I thought I grabbed all the colors, but maybe I didn't. So anyway, another idea for this gift. Oh, I was doing the price on the red one. I was so excited about the color, I didn't do the price. So you figure the PocketBacs, it says $1.75, so let's say like $2 each. Again, you're talking like a $15. If you were doing like a Secret Santa, this is perfect. The other thing that fits really nice in these are the new lip scrubs. You can kind of put these in. Check it out. They fit sideways. Look at that. You can put the lip scrubs, and then you could put maybe one of the lip glosses in there. The other thing that fits really nice in these are the hand creams. So you could stick like, I think it would be really cool if you could somehow figure out a way. What I would do is put like a piece of cardboard back here, like maybe red cardboard, and then you can stand these up. Let me grab another one of these. You could stand a bunch of them up in here. You could actually, this is actually going to work good, I think. Let me grab another one. This is really cool, actually. Check it out. So you could probably put like 5 different hand creams in there. All these, you know, the spiced gingerbread, coconut macaroon, banana custard. Wouldn't they look cute in there? If you like stood all those hand creams up, that'd be someone who like, you know, has really dry hands and loves the hand cream. I think that's amazing. You could also probably stick a pair of the little socks in there, and then maybe stick like a lip scrub in there with, does that fit? It doesn't fit. The lip scrub doesn't fit with the socks, but the lip gloss does fit with the socks. Check it out. Look at that. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? So any of the tiny products fit really well. These would make amazing stocking stuffers, or like I said, if you're going to a party and you need like, you know, 10 gifts to give to people for work or something, this just makes it extra special. Oh, I just froze. Extra special and festive. So I hope you enjoyed this gift idea. This one was a lot of fun for me. I was just like all over this one. I'm going to hold these up one more time to show you how sparkly they are. They're gorgeous. So anyway, thank you for watching. I got more gift ideas coming. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.